interest of time, I'll get started, and if anyone is joining, let them join. Okay, so today is the first day of Salesforce Bengaluru Marketer Group related community sessions. So this would be an introduction call to Bengaluru Marketer Group. Along with that, some of you are already part of Trail to Marketing Mastery Challenge. So today we'll be starting our second challenge related to that initiative. So that is what we'll be covering in today's session, and this will be an 1 hour session, and everything is like time framed one, like every topic whatever we'll be covering. So this should be an interactive session, so if you are having any questions or anything, you can stop me in between. Everyone has speaker option here, so you can unmute yourself and speak. Okay, with that said, let's move on. Okay, first is introduction to this group. This is a newly onboarded Salesforce Marketer Group. Again, earlier you might have been part of this group, but that got dissolved, and now it's a new one. So to become a member now, you need to get into this particular community. There are multiple options here, so we'll discuss one by one. So the first section would be this one. Under Trailblazer community, you might come across Marketer Bengaluru, India. So if you get into this particular portal, you will see this group, and here you can become a member. Like here you will have option to become a member. You need to just join the group, and you will become a member. I'll get a request and I'll approve it, and you will become a member to this group. And why we will be using this group is to have discussion internally, and this is a closed group, and only whoever is interested to have communication on marketing can join this group, and will be maybe if you are facing any challenges on your project or anything, you can just come here, post your question, and anyone in the community within this group can respond back to you with their answer. And in my availability, I'll also go through these questions or any chat related coming up here in the community, and I'll respond back to your questions. And the other section where you can come into is, sorry, I opened this one. So this is the other section where you can enter and join the group. So again, this is not directly connected. This group is separate and this is separate. If you have joined, you might have joined to the sessions related, and this is where the sessions are hosted, and like the reminders, whatever you get would be coming from this particular group. Okay, but if you're having any questions or anything that you want to ask, then this is the place where you will come. It is like a chatter for the community, Bengaluru marketing community. Okay, so this is my first session. So here you can see in the upcoming events, whenever I schedule, all the members will get a notification, and also you will get some reminders related to that event as well. Okay, so yeah, going back to my slide, and that is what I added over here, like community group leader is me, and then my contact is this one. Like if you have any questions or anything, you can just if you want to connect with me directly, you can just message me via this email address, to this email address, sorry, and then register for any meetings or events, whatever I just now show. There you can register. Okay. So if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Aishwarya. I'm a Salesforce marketing champion and a digital solution architect senior manager in entity data. And I'm an active community speaker, have spoken almost around 25 sessions so far in all different Trailblazer communities, and 2 to 3 in-person events as well, to name few. And then I'm an SFMC enthusiast, and whatever I speak would be mostly on the marketing cloud side, and all the new products as well involved in marketing cloud, plethora of products. And then I'm an 8 times Salesforce certified consultant, and I also have a website of my own where I write blogs related to marketing cloud, data cloud, and again in marketing cloud, uh, Agentforce marketing and marketing cloud engagement at the moment. And this is my Trailhead URL if anyone wants to follow me on Trailhead. And then these are my personal social handles. Even though it is personal, I'll speak only the community related and also professional related things only on this channels. And again, this is my Slack channel, and whoever gets registered for this Trail to Marketing Mastery will be joining this Slack channel, where we will be having a discussion on what needs to be done on a daily basis. And thank you everyone for making time on a Sunday morning and joining this session. It's very great to know that most of you have joined even in your busy schedule. Thank you. Thanks a ton. Okay, so chapters for today, like I usually like stories, so I've just kept my brand name also with the same like SFMC stories. Similarly, in my community also, I'm planning to run it like a storybook kind of. So instead of saying it as agenda or contents, I'm taking it like a chapters instead. So these are the things that we'll be covering today. First, we'll start with some stories, and then insider, like what is Salesforce Marketing Group Bangalore all about, and then Trail to Marketing Mastery, all the rules and regulations, and then a challenge to whatever we just highlighted beginning of the session. And then we'll end up this session with a photo and then a Q&A if anything, if anyone wants to speak anything. Okay, then, so story time is an interactive section. So I want whoever is interested can just share your story. So first I'll start with mine. So what I'm planning to do here is like how we are connected to Trailblazer community, and how did this Trailblazer communities change your working journey, like your career path, and whether it's a useful one, or what are all the things that you got from Trailblazer community. And if you are from Bengaluru, or if you are from anywhere from Karnataka, and if you know what is Bengaluru all about, if you want to speak one or two lines about Bengaluru, very, very much welcome on that. Okay, starting with my story. I am from Karnataka, and my hometown is Mysore, which is nearby to Bangalore. And born and brought up in Karnataka, like I like my place very much, similar to anyone. Like they love their hometown and the native, right? So even I love very much. And I started my career in 2015 as a developer, and I'm a marketing cloud developer initially on again, not only with Salesforce. I have experience on other platforms as well, like anything related to marketing, I would say. I have experience on Adobe and Concept. Again, I don't know how many of you have heard these tools. Again, Sail Through, which is now known as Marigold, Cheetah Digital. So these are all different marketing platforms, more or less like an SFMC tool. In my initial organization, I got opportunity to learn all of them for a different project related things. And then I got interested in Salesforce Marketing Cloud compared to everything because of all the extensive feature it holds. And even today, I have maybe a love for Marketing Cloud engagement. And apart from that, I also got some experience on account engagement as well in my initial company. And yeah, that was about Salesforce marketing, like how I got into Salesforce marketing world. And in the initial days, I was not aware much about um, what to say, community, and what is actually being done here, all these things. But one fine day, like while I was just browsing the Trailhead and everything, I got got to see some community related things and some questions and someone getting answering those questions, and there are some meetings also getting scheduled for that. And maybe out of interest, I did register for one of the event, and then I got to know, okay, there will be some ongoing sessions from different communities that is happening, and I was not a part of my local community at that time. I completely no idea what is community altogether at that time. So my first speaking opportunity was in 2019, and that was not a recorded one. It was a simple like just an introduction to marketing cloud kind of session. And then the big opportunity which I got would be on a boot camp provided by Singapore Marketers Group in 2022 or 23, where I spoke on almost 4 different topics: Einstein capabilities, CDP, which is now known as Data Cloud. I had provided maybe one session on CDP at that time, on identity resolution, and then marketing cloud developer skill sets. So these are all some of the topics I covered at that time. Then I got to know actually like how we can speak in the community, because I was very new, and very grateful to Panindra. He gave me a good exposure and opportunity to speak. And at the same time, I would also like to thank Shibu Abraham, who was also behind the scenes to help me out. So yeah, with that said, and this is how I started my journey with the Trailblazer community. And now, as I mentioned, I have almost completed 25 around virtual sessions and 2 to 3 in-person events as a speaker. So interested to discuss with you, anyone, if anyone wants to be a speaker, or if anyone want to contribute to the community via Trailblazer community, like please do reach out to me. We can discuss. Now it's time for any one of you here. You can volunteer yourself, and maybe let's keep it short. And maybe each of you can take 2 minutes and let me know your story. How was your journey with the Trailblazer community? Anyone interested? No one? Yeah, Nanda.
Uh, Hi Aishwarya, hi everyone. So actually, it's been 3 years in Salesforce domain and the marketing cloud. So my journey started in 2022 actually. So I was working in a different like a technology. Then I got exposed to Salesforce via my friends, and I have joined this. Since then, it's been nice actually. It's been great. Participating in the community events. I also attended TDX and all. Then I've started exploring this community. Just yesterday only I got to know this group, and I have emailed you and all. Yeah, it is great actually. Yes,
Thank you.
thank you. Yes.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah, Aishwarya, I would like to go next.
Yeah, Jayant.
Yeah, so thanks Aishwarya, like for creating this group and having a session on all the marketing thing. So hoping to see a few sessions on every aspect, whether it may be SFMC, data cloud, or any other thing. So yeah, this is Jayant. So I do like I started my journey in the marketing field with the Oracle Cloud. That is back in 2017. So later in the 2020, like I started my SFMC journey. So yeah, it's been good with the Trailblazer community, wherein we get a lot of document to start off with, whether it may be data cloud or marketing cloud next. So yeah, all in all, like having a good experience in the marketing cloud community as well as on the tool as well. So yeah, good to see you as well, Aishwarya, after a long time. So yeah, that's it from my side.
Thank you. Thank you, Jayant. Thank you for joining this session today. And I know you are a very active person, and you will register for all the events. I know that very well. Thank you for being part of Bengaluru community. Okay, anyone else? Okay then. So interest of time, let's move on. But still, if anyone wants to take up this chance to speak, maybe You are very much welcomed.
Hey, hi, Aishwarya. Good morning, all.
Benaka?
Hey, hi, Aishwarya. Good morning, all.
Yeah.
Hey, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, yes, I can.
Yes, yes. So, thank you, Aishwarya, for creating this community, like for the local people from the Bangalore region. And Minish, so it's been great to join to this community, and even I have worked with you guys who are there already. So it's been pleasure for me to join and continue the work after crossing our paths also now. So initially, basically, I'm Banaka. I'm also from Mysore. So initially, I started my Salesforce journey in 2021, like right from my college days after getting campus selection. So from there onwards, I started my career with Salesforce and building the good things like there. And I'm very much having good grip in marketing cloud and data cloud nowadays. So it's been a good to join this community to explore more things from other guys and to get to know improve my skills and upgrade the skills and all. So thank you, sir, for this community creating group.
Okay, great to know, Benaka. Thank you for joining and also for sharing your story. Okay, so anyone else here who is not from marketing background, because we speak a lot of marketing things. So anyone with without marketing experience? Okay, cool. So yeah, we'll move on. So, like usually in my sessions, I'll have a quote. So this is quote for today. Like we discussed about our journeys. So your destination will always be an accomplishment, but your journey is where everything took place, right? So journey is very important, and in that journey, there will be a lot of struggles. There will be positive things, negative things, which we shouldn't take to heart. Ultimately, it is going to be in heart sometime, but again, that is where you will have a push from within, where you can explore more and become whatever you are planning to, right? So this is quote for today. And yeah, now we'll get into the second topic, like SFMG Bangalore Insider. So this is the tag that I'll be using for anything related to SFMG Bangalore, that is Salesforce Marketing Group Bangalore related, any information on LinkedIn or Twitter. So if at all, if you want to also be part of this community, and if you're posting anything related to the community, please do use this tag. Okay, what's in the store if you are part of SFMG Bangalore? So first of all, as some of you already know, I have my own flagship initiative by name Trail to Marketing Mastery. I'll be discussing more about this in few minutes. Maybe I'll keep it short here. This is an initiative which was done just a few months back to support the marketing community, and also to people who wants to join marketing for the very first time, who wants to learn and explore what is marketing cloud all about. Uh, that is all about this particular initiative. And if you are a member, you will get that exclusive community access which I showed. Like if you want to ask a question in the community, and whoever has worked on that similar projects or use cases, they will be there to help you out on the community. So that is the exclusive community access what I have mentioned here. And later in stages, I'm planning a lot of things for my close community members, whoever joins the group. And then coming to the participant, general participant, who will be just attending the sessions and for the learning purpose and also for networking. For them, there will be regular sessions focused on all the marketing, modern marketing trends. Maybe not very much specific to marketing cloud only, from the overall what to say, worldwide, how Salesforce marketing products stands out, or maybe how we can compare these products with other products, is also something we are planning to bring into this community sessions. And also deep dives into Agentforce across marketing cloud platforms, because I'm getting a lot of questions related to how I can work with Agentforce when I'm using a marketing cloud engagement, when I'm using marketing cloud account engagement. So I have planned some sessions around around this, like how you can integrate Agentforce with both of these tools, engagement or account engagement, and also the future of these tools like engagement and account engagement. What is the future? Those things also will be discussed. And as you can see, these are the planned sessions I am having. And currently, part of Trail to Marketing Mastery, we are starting with Agentforce Marketing. Again, both are different. Agentforce for marketing is different. Agentforce Marketing is a tool name, right? Like how we used to use Exact Target, Pardot, like that. Agentforce Marketing is the tool name, which is nothing but Marketing Cloud Next. Okay. So definitely, when we have a community, there will be speakers, moderators, and people who wants to support me in the back end to prepare everything. So I'm giving opportunity for all. If anyone is interested, please do reach out to me. I'll be more active on LinkedIn, so you can DM me on LinkedIn, and we can connect and we can discuss more. Like I'll be giving first priority to first time speakers mostly, but don't get disheartened if you are an active speaker already. You will also get a chance, but I'll be giving you maybe a right time, like when you need to pitch in, because you are already and you already have some what to say, brand name, personal brand name for yourself. So I need to bring in at the right place. So that is my intention altogether. So I'll be looking for the right opportunity where I can place this an excelled speaker who is in the community already. But maybe if you are a very a speaker for the very first time, and then I'll be there to help you out, how you can draft your content and how you can present. Those type of personal inputs will be given by me before you are presenting on the group. Okay, so this is for speakers, whoever is interested. Okay, TTMM, this is again a tag that I'm using for Trail to Marketing Mastery. I initially used T square, M square, but it's difficult to find that superscript every time to add it in the tag. So that's where I kept it simplified now, TTMM. So if anyone wants to join this initiative, and if you are engaging, then maybe you can use the same tag, TTMM, for any post that you are adding in LinkedIn. Okay, so yeah, a little more things about this TTMM. As I mentioned, this is a flagship initiative started by me maybe in November 2025. My goal was here to bring more marketing professionals to Salesforce ecosystem. Maybe in their initial stage itself, from the initial stage itself, and to expand ever growing skill set to the existing moment marketers community, right? Like skill set is ever growing, or maybe the technologies are ever growing. So we need to adapt to that technology to keep ourselves in the race, right? Otherwise, there are chances we will lose it. So that is where my plan was to start this initiative to make everyone run with me or run in front of me, and maybe to guide me also in some situations, to expand our knowledge on marketing cloud environments. So this is what my initial thought, why I started this particular initiative. So here, initially, what was the plan is to work only on the uh, marketing cloud legacy products like engagement and account engagement related, and slowly move towards the marketing cloud next product. I started with the marketing cloud engagement. The challenge one is on marketing cloud engagement, like the associate certification. So it was a 30-day challenge where I got some around 45 to 50 registration for that particular initiative or the challenge, where I helped most of them to understand what is marketing cloud all about, and also all the digital marketing things. Initially started with digital marketing, and then slowly graduated to marketing cloud related concepts. And the goal was to make them accomplish one certification at least on marketing cloud, that is a foundation certificate. So that is about the first challenge, and maybe I thought of adding more value to the certifications itself, and make everyone learn what is marketing cloud through that learning journey. But maybe in this particular 30 days challenge, I got a lot of messages from everyone that they wanted to learn the new product, Marketing Cloud Next or Agentforce Marketing. That is where we are for the challenge 2, where we'll be discussing about Agentforce Marketing. Okay, and this will be like a regular sessions, where I'll be connecting with all of you, and you can ask me any questions whenever in your self-learning journey. Also, if you are having any questions related to these products, we can collaborate, we can discuss, like one single community. And if I'm not having any answer to it, someone in the community might have worked on it, they might have experience on that, so we'll be discussing those questions in those regular sessions. Then this was my maybe a plan to start with the Trail to Marketing Mastery. So far we completed our first challenge, that is on foundations for Marketing Cloud. But now I'm switching my gears to Marketing Cloud Next or Agentforce Marketing, as because I got a lot of requests. So now we'll discuss more about this Agentforce marketing training. What is this all about? And maybe if anyone isn't, already the registrations are closed, but still anyone is interested from this particular session, maybe I can give you 3 days time to register yourself. Okay. So yeah, these are the rules for challenge 2. First is registration for the challenge. You need to join the Moment Marketer community. So below is the link for Moment Marketer community. Maybe I'll share this in the chat later. So if not done already, again, I'll be giving some swags at the end of this challenge. So it would be very crucial to become a winner if you are already part of Moment Marketer community. So then all registrants will receive structured study plan on a daily basis, which will be tracked. And this is again, I'm inspired from Piyusha. So I think some of you already know who is Piyusha, Golden Hoodie recipient. So she started 100 days Trailhead Challenge last year. So I was inspired from that methodology she used. So that is what I'm keeping here also for this. Even for challenge 1, I used the same methodology, and for challenge 2 also, I'll be using same methodology. But on top of it, I have changed a few things in my style. So yeah, what we'll be doing here is like, I'll be sharing the study plan on a weekly basis or on a daily basis with all of you. You'll be completing it at your own pace. But however, on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, we'll be connecting. And whatever was discussed in the past 7 days or 14 days will be discussed in that particular session, or maybe with a demo, or if you are having any challenges to on any project related or anything, we'll be taking up that particular challenge in that discussion. And first 10 minutes would be for any questionnaire, like initial questions that you have got. And then coming to the demo part of it, we will see how it actually works, whatever you learned on the self-learning pace, how it actually works on the platform, and how it is related to a project requirement, all these things in that particular session, ending with the questions whichever is related to that particular session. Again, you will go back to your self-learning journey for a week, and again we'll be reconnecting for that particular topics, whatever was covered. So this is what I'm planning to change from my challenge 1, because challenge 1 was only like a self-learning path, no much interaction at all. But here I thought of having more interaction, and also to help everyone to understand what is this tool all about from the business perspective and also from the project perspective. Okay, so if you are having any questions, challenges, doubts, maybe you cannot wait for a long time, like for 1 week or 2 weeks, then I have a Slack group already. And maybe for this Moment Marketer, for this marketing group Bangalore also, I'm planning to create a group where we can interact for a regular connects. So once that is announced, maybe I'll share it with everyone. So there we can have this discussion around, like if you are having any questions or which you want an immediate response from, those things can be done on those groups. And this is again a 3-month challenge. So where you should be consistent to receive the reward. So reward is nothing but, as I mentioned, there will be a swag or an voucher, which will be provided to maybe one or two consistent participants or consistent learners. And how that would be gauged is, it is based on your interaction. Not only completing it, I might ask some, again, in those regular connects there will be quiz also on that topic. So you need to complete that quiz, attending every session related to this particular challenge. And end of the journey, there will be a mini project on Marketing Cloud Next, which will be provided. So you should complete it. So considering all these things, and again, if you are a part of Moment Marketer community, based on that, maybe 1 or 2% will be winning the swag or voucher. Okay. So yeah, I think we came to photo time section. So before that, maybe any confusion so far, or we'll wait for Q&A. Okay, I think all are good. So can you guys turn on your camera for a minute? We'll just take a pic.
Aishwarya. Chandan here.
Yeah, hi Chandan.
Yeah, I think this is great initiative, Aishwarya, and
Thank
everyone
you.
will be beneficial, get benefit out of it. So yeah, I'm very excited for this.
Thank you. Okay, ready. Nanda and Rajat did not turn on.
Are you planning to join MC Square event, Aishwarya? It's going to happen in
Yes.
Bangalore this time.
Yes. Yes.
Great.
I'm also coming to Delhi. So if anyone is in Delhi, we can meet for Delhi Dreaming on April 4th. Okay, so a few more things. So I'll just quickly share this registration file where some of them all has already registered. If you are not part of it, let me know. I can also manually include you for this list. Okay, so this is how the plan would be. So I have around 98 registrants already. 101, sorry. Maybe not 101. There are like 2-3 rows already consumed. So 98 registrants registered already. And this is how it would be like. You will be giving your Trailblazer ID with me, and also your email address. Everything will be shared with me. But I'll be not adding your email address and the company from where you are serving, and whether you know Marketing Cloud or not. And if you know Marketing Cloud, which product you know, then whether you are new to Agentforce marketing, and what is your expectation in this particular challenge. So these are all the things what I'll be collecting from you. And maybe if you want to send out a message or something, fine. Or if you want to submit it in a form, that is also fine. I'll be sharing that form later. Then maybe this week onwards we'll be starting this challenge altogether. And as I told, it is like a 3-month challenge where we'll be discussing from the beginning to the end of everything on Marketing Cloud Next, what needs to be done. And in between of this particular activities, we are not going to stop only with this bootcamp kind of discussions. In Bengaluru community, we'll also have our separate sessions going on for Agentforce for Marketing Cloud engagement, Agentforce for Marketing Cloud account engagement, those type of things as well. And if anyone wants to learn Data Cloud as well, flows, Salesforce flows, Apex, For these also, there is a separate plan in this community. Why? Because when you're switching to Marketing Cloud next, the basic foundation you should know is Data Cloud, and flows, Apex, these type of things to get the full-fledged capabilities of Marketing Cloud next. Okay, so here, like once you complete, here is the checkbox. You just need to check this box. So this is how it works, and I'll be sharing this with all of you. If at all, if you are interested, I'll be sharing it with them. Okay.
Actually, I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
I want to be included in the challenge, but one thing is about the session timings. If they're not my time friendly, time zone friendly, then is it okay to skip some?
Yeah.
My intention is to just to learn and progress, but not the voucher or the swag. That's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
All good. I need the registration. Sorry.
Yeah. Continue. Please complete.
No. I just would like to have the registration, or let me know the details what I need to share so that I can send it to you via email.
Okay, fine. So this is the information I wanted, like your name, your email address, which needs to be involved for this challenge. And then because I'll be using that for communication purpose, maybe sending out an email to you or maybe including you in a Slack group. For that purpose, I want your email address and your company where you are working, whether it's again, why it is required, just to check whether it's a partner company or not, because this Marketing Cloud Next challenge runs on your own STO. The partner provided or partner will have the option to get their simple demo org, so where you can learn on your own pace whatever concepts we will cover theoretically. So for that, STO is important. So if you are from a partner company, that would be very much beneficial. And then again, for the country related things and the region related, I'll try to plan to accommodate your time zone, because your time zone is completely different from all of other time zone, and it will be very late for you if I schedule at 5:30 evening also. So maybe I'll see if I can do something. I have some participants from your region and also from UK, US as well. So I'll see if I can accommodate everyone's time zone and schedule a proper call. Maybe 3 p.m. IST, if that works for everyone. Maybe I'll try to schedule it at that time, but it would be very early for people from US. But I'll just have a poll for this within the community, and we'll see which particular time slot wins. Based on that, the meeting will be scheduled. If not, if you're not attending, again, these sessions will be recorded and that will be posted either in my YouTube channel, or I'm also planning to create one YouTube channel for this community, Bengaluru Marketers Group community. So maybe I'll be posting it over there.
Yeah, that would help about the recorded sessions, and don't stress about the time zones because mine will not suit any of the other regions. So no stress. And the second thing would be, I was about to ask this when you say mini project on Marketing Cloud Next. I work with a customer, so I unfortunately have no SDO org access. Would that be a constraint just to read and learn and do the modules available? Would that be okay?
Yeah, maybe we'll discuss more on this
right
by end of second month, maybe. But yeah, again, I understand situation because not everyone will have STO. Not everyone can complete the mini project. We'll have some alternate plans for people who doesn't have STO.
Yeah, thanks. And it is name, email, trailhead profile, and then company information for the partner org or STO org. Anything else?
I know you already know Marketing Cloud very well, so I don't need that information from you. But if it is other participants here in this group who is interested, then I would also like to know your experience on Marketing Cloud, whether you're from Marketing Cloud engagement background, account engagement background, that information.
Right. Yeah.
So that I can plan my study plan accordingly.
Yeah. It's not just for me. I will share these informations with another trailblazers who are interested in MC Next. so that I can just ask them these bullet points to be shared with you later on.
Okay. Yeah, fine. That
Thank you.
works. Thank you. Okay. Any questions?
Aishwarya, hi, Nanda here. So I'm new to the community, so I don't know what and all where and all I have to go and search and register for this, or like, can you just like share it here or any other platform where I have to look for this? Can you just give me a gist so that I'll register myself?
Okay, registration was closed actually, but again, for people who joined this particular session, I just gave an what to say a benefit to join these sessions. But again, as I mentioned to Lakshmi, you can share it with me directly, this information, so that I can manually include you for this challenge.
Okay, directly message you in LinkedIn or here?
Yeah, even you have my email address also, you can send an email as well.
Okay, got it.
And you had a question, right, Nanda? So can we speak about that? Like what is your challenge that you are facing today?
Challenge as of like in my company, like we want to use this Agentforce actually in the marketing cloud, where when a WhatsApp campaign is run, so if the customer wants to know more, and so that by using this GPT LLMs and all, we can generate him a response, right? Like GPT can generate a response. Like, yeah, we can go ahead further, and at that point of time, it has to be routed to a pre-sales representative or something like that, to a different channel. Can this be done along with this? Like using Agentforce, we are generating him an automated replies, and we want to integrate a third-party system here as well, where it routes to an agent,
In
and
third
he
party
can
system
address
also,
that
you
customer.
want to connect to an agent?
Yeah, from an external system, we want to connect him to this chat window where this automated response has gone to that customer, where if he wants to speak with the representative. Can this be done in this process?
So if I'm understanding correctly, you're telling like there is a WhatsApp channel, and if there is some communication that gets triggered to an agent, and agent is going to reply to that communication,
To that.
and
Yes.
that needs to be routed to a third party system, and
Yes.
that third party system also works on an AI.
No, that is not working on AI. That is actually a customer representative who will speak to the customer. Like, it's not an AI
Mhm.
system. Yeah.
That needs
It
to
will
be
be a
connected to
manual.
Agentforce means what you are expecting there.
So actually, we are still discussing in our company, like, is this possible or not? So, like, we want to use Agentforce for generations of like to address the customer. So whenever he puts in a response, so that we'll know that he is there, and after that, we want to route that customer to a live agent
Mhm.
in an external system. That's what we were trying to do.
Okay, maybe first part can be done with the WhatsApp related what you mentioned, but the second part is the challenge. Unless and
Yeah.
until you integrate that third party either with data cloud or directly via API to marketing,
Mhm.
it's difficult to manage. Two
Yeah.
approach. One is you definitely need to use data cloud to make your agent force fully functional, to
Okay.
track everything, and also to get the maybe if you want to share a feedback, say for example, if I take chat GPT, if you ask a question, it will give you a response, so
Mhm.
you can give thumbs up, thumbs down, kind of comments, right? Like, okay, this response what I got is what I appreciate. So that type of feedback will be captured in data cloud. So if you
Okay.
want your agent force to work properly with all this information, and if you want to run a report on top of it, then data cloud is very much important. And also to connect your third party application, maybe data cloud would be a better place to connect.
Let's do
If
it. Yeah.
not, if you're not going with the data cloud at all, you want to just have agent force license and marketing cloud engagement related, then also you need to have API integration within engagement to connect that third party application. And again, agent force with engagement is a custom solution. We
Okay.
don't have out of the box out of the box connector as such, where you can enable Agentforce. Right, Agentforce is sitting in a different platform, Salesforce platform, and you need to bring it into Marketing Cloud engagement or exact target. So for that, you need to either connect it via MC Connect or with a named credential. I used named credential and connected app just to connect Agentforce and Marketing Cloud engagement. Again, there is an option to use Marketing Cloud Connect as well. So yeah, I feel you can use named credential better, I felt, but again, it's up to you, up to your business, whether which option they are okay with. Again, lot of custom things involved here. You need to work on SSJS piece as well to connect this information and to see the UI, whatever you are expecting to have, those type of UI you need to definitely work on the landing page or cloud page to bring it live.
Okay, got it.
So anyone else have any suggestions for this particular use case which Nanda mentioned?
I just want to ask one question. When he says AI will respond and then after certain time, manual support agent should intervene, right? Then there would be a change of screen, right? People cannot just interfere into the AI chat enabled. And I think there would be a transition of screens, which is not as easy as we were just talking.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's completely a very complex custom solution.
And moreover, I don't
Very, very
think it is
complex.
possible to, like, we can create a case and we can ask them to wait for a certain time, and then we can ask the agent to reach out to that maybe in next 2-3 minutes so that they can start their chat. I don't think the transition will be as smooth as the business
And
expects.
also, this is not within Marketing Cloud itself. As you're having some representatives also involved, it's better if you use Service Cloud also in picture, where you can create a case and that case will be routed, and all those functionalities already out of the box in Service
Already,
Cloud. So that can be leveraged here. And even Service Cloud will have Agentforce out of the box, so that things can also be leveraged instead of only taking a lot of things on Marketing Cloud. As Lakshmi mentioned, like this is a very super complex use case to work only in data, only in Marketing Cloud.
I'm sorry that I'm laughing, but the business needs everything to be done in one click, one screen, one message. But a lot of programs, a lot of coding, a lot of configurations will be involved in that. So make sure you just plan step by step. What do you want first, then where to next, then where to next, and what is the endpoint. So that would simplify. Whatever is simply possible, then you just take care of them, which is not easily achievable. Yeah, just leave them. That's what I could suggest. Sorry.
Yeah, thanks for all the insights. Actually, we are still discussing the possibility of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just had a question, and I was like, I wanted to ask you guys if you have worked on this kind of thing. That's all.
Okay, so one more place where I would suggest to start this discussion would be on the Trailhead. I think you are already part of Trailhead. If not, you can create an account in Trailhead. And just give me a minute. Let me log into my Trailhead. There, like the community will be there to help you out, and you can ask questions on anything marketing, anything data cloud, not only data cloud and marketing, anything related to Salesforce. You just need to use the right topic.
Got it.
So this is the place within Trailhead. Like if you come to Trailhead, you will see these multiple options, right? Events, Trailhead, Trails. So if you just click on Trailhead, you will enter into this topic section. Not directly. You need to get into the things. 1 minute. I'm already in the Trailhead section, I think. Trailhead, Trails. Community, yeah, under community section in Trailhead, under community section you can go to topics, and here you will have all different types of featured topics like data cloud, analytics, Agentforce, and everything. You just need to search your product of interest. Let's say your interest is Marketing Cloud. So you just need to search for that, and maybe whatever they are already discussing, that is available. And if you want to include something new, you can just right away ask a question and add these hashtags. So that would be routed to the right team. Okay, so my topics are this trailer challenge Agentforce for now, but I'll be also answering for marketing cloud, data cloud related. So you just need to select, and then if you get into this section, there will be all the related questions for that particular topic. So here you can go and ask a question.
Okay, got it.
And end of that question, you can tag, if it is audience studio related, you will tag audience studio, or if you're asking anything related to Agentforce, you can just tag Agentforce there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we are left with 5 minutes. Anything else that anyone wants to discuss? Okay. By the way, thank you, Nanda, for your question, and it was an interesting requirement, and again a complex one too. Maybe like we can discuss if at all, if you are stuck and if you need any inputs from me or from Lakshmi, you can ping us on LinkedIn, and maybe we can support you.
Sure, sure. Thanks a lot, Aishwarya and Lakshmi.
And
for
if you
helping.
find a solution, please come forward and share with us so that we can also learn, right?
Definitely, I'll definitely let you
Yeah.
know.
Everything is learning.
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay, then if nothing, we can wrap up this call. Once again, thank you everyone for. Sorry, my phone. Okay, thank you everyone for joining this session today on a Sunday morning, and hope all of you will have a great weekend, rest of the week. You see, I've kept this slide just to show. Until we meet again, thank you. Bye bye. Have a great time.
Thanks, Aishwarya. Thanks, everyone. Yes.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Thanks, Lakshmi.
Bye. Bye. Aishwarya, so I have sent you a connection request in LinkedIn.
Mhm.
I'll mail you for further details, maybe. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll keep in touch. If at all, if you are having more challenges, we will discuss. And that is the solution which came top of my mind. But if you are having anything like a flow diagram or something which you want to share with me, if that is okay for you, maybe that would give me a more clarity.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure. And I also want to be part of your this events, and also on that also I'll be connecting with you. Yes.
Okay. So for any marketer group events, you can just join the group, like a Bengaluru Marketers Group. Then you will get the notification as and when I schedule anything new. Uh, but for this Trailblazer, this challenge also, Trail to Marketing Mastery, I'm planning to involve that within this community itself, so that no one will be missed, and also the recording is easier, and everything can be tracked in one place.
Okay, okay.
Better
Yeah, sure.
you can join that group so that you will get all the inputs there itself.
Yeah, sure, sure. I want to join, yes. Because I'm new actually. I'm yesterday only I found out this, and I don't know where I have what and all I have to go back and join and all. So I need help on that as well. Okay. Thanks a lot
Okay,
for
you
this.
ping me on LinkedIn. I'll help you out. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you. Sure.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Rajat, do you have anything to ask? Okay, if not, thank you. Thank you for joining. We'll connect soon. Bye bye.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, bye.